Welcome to American Dream Mansions, where we bring you the most breathtaking and iconic properties from around the world. Today we are taking you inside a luxury Spanish-style home that redefines elegance and sets a new benchmark for what it means to live in timeless sophistication. From the moment you arrive, the exterior makes a lasting impression with its warm stucco walls, arched doorways, red terracotta roof tiles, and wrought iron details that echo centuries of Mediterranean design blended seamlessly with modern American luxury. This home is not just built to be lived in, it is crafted to be admired, cherished, and celebrated. Stepping into the grand entrance, the first thing that captures your attention is the double-height foyer crowned with a magnificent chandelier that casts golden light across marble floors and intricately detailed ceilings. Every corner has been designed with perfection and care, combining traditional Spanish craftsmanship with contemporary finishes. The sweeping staircase with custom wrought iron railings leads to the upper level, where multiple suites offer comfort, privacy, and stunning views of landscaped gardens. The living spaces in this Spanish-style mansion are designed for both intimacy and grandeur. The main living room features expansive windows that flood the space with natural light, elegant wood beams across the ceiling, and a grand fireplace as the focal point. This room offers a perfect balance between cozy family evenings and formal entertaining. The dining area reflects the same charm, with a long handcrafted wooden table set under another sparkling chandelier, ready to host lavish dinners or intimate family meals. The kitchen is a masterpiece in itself, blending functionality with elegance. Equipped with state-of-the-art appliances, custom cabinetry, detailed tiling, and marble countertops, this is a place where modern convenience meets old-world artistry. An adjoining breakfast nook offers a relaxed space to enjoy mornings overlooking the lush backyard gardens, while the outdoor terrace connects seamlessly to the indoor spaces, making it perfect for gatherings in every season. The bedrooms in this mansion are true sanctuaries, each designed to reflect a mix of comfort, luxury, and individuality. The master suite stands out with its expansive layout, private balcony overlooking the estate, and a spa-inspired bathroom complete with marble flooring, soaking tub, walk-in shower, and dual vanities. Every guest bedroom is equally refined, ensuring that anyone who steps inside feels pampered and at home. Entertainment and lifestyle have been given the highest priority in this residence. The dedicated home theater comes with reclining leather seats, acoustic walls, and a high-definition screen for an immersive cinematic experience. The game room and indoor lounge areas make it an ideal space for friends and family to enjoy leisure time. For those who prioritize wellness, a private gym with modern equipment, a sauna, and even an indoor pool ensure fitness and relaxation are always within reach. Outdoors, this mansion carries the Spanish influence with arched verandas, a central courtyard, and terracotta walkways that guide you through beautifully landscaped lawns. A sparkling infinity pool glimmers under the sunlight, bordered by palm trees and seating areas for relaxation or entertaining guests. The outdoor kitchen and barbecue space complete the picture of a perfect luxury lifestyle in true Mediterranean fashion. The garage is more than just storage. It is designed as an exhibition space for luxury vehicles, with polished flooring and modern lighting making it part of the visual appeal of the estate. The security system is top-tier, combining smart technology with discreet design to ensure peace of mind without compromising aesthetics. In terms of specs, this Spanish-style home offers multiple suites, including the master, a collection of guest rooms, formal and informal living areas, dining space, private gym, cinema room, game lounge, spa facilities, indoor and outdoor pools, a multi-car garage, and expansive gardens with terraces and outdoor cooking areas. The architecture strikes the perfect chord between traditional Spanish heritage and modern luxury, offering the warmth of a home with the stature of a palace. What makes this home truly special is the way it connects tradition with innovation. While the exterior pays homage to the old-world Spanish charm, the interior boasts smart home features, advanced lighting systems, climate control, and high-end finishes that appeal to modern luxury homeowners. Every space is thoughtfully connected yet private, allowing for grand events or serene family evenings with equal ease. American Dream Mansions brings this to you not just as a home, but as an inspiration of what luxury living means. In the USA and around the globe, we aim to showcase properties that tell stories of art, design, and lifestyle, and this Spanish-style mansion is a perfect example of timeless architecture meeting modern aspirations. Thank you for joining us on this journey through elegance and grandeur. If you enjoyed this inside look at one of the most stunning Spanish-style luxury homes, do not forget to subscribe to American Dream Mansions, your gateway to the world's most extraordinary estates.